welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new chocolate review. And in today's video we are going to review the Cadbury Bonneville. So this is a Cadbury Bonneville, and the flavor that we are going to review today is Raisin and Nuts. So let's start off with the review of the Cadbury Bonneville. So Bonneville is a premium product from Cadbury. It's basically a dark chocolate from Cadbury, and today we are going to review the Raisin and Nut flavor of the Bonneville, the Cadbury Bonneville. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged quite differently than the other Cadbury products that come in the purple colored packaging, while this comes in a very different packaging. So the Raisin and Nut comes in a dark olive green colored packaging here. You can see with golden borders and golden text on it. So right here we can see the Cadbury branding here and the Bonneville branding right below it. And then we have the illustration of the Cadbury Bonneville chocolate here, along with some nuts, cashew nuts and raisins. And then here's the name of the flavor, which is Raisin and Nut, given here. Like all other Cadbury chocolates, the Cadbury Bonneville is also made from 100% sustainably sourced cocoa. And per 20 gram serving of the Cadbury Bonneville gives in 109 calories. So it's very calorie dense chocolate. So here we can see the packaging here, and if you all see the packaging on side, we can see the Cadbury Bonneville branding as well. Here we can see the Cadbury Bonneville branding, similar branding on the other side as well of Cadbury Bonneville. And it comes packaged in a nice cardboard box here. Now moving on to the back side of the pack, this is a 80 gram pack, so the net weight is 80 grams, and the shelf life of this product is 9 months. So the shelf life of the Cadbury Bonneville Raisin and Nuts is 9 months. The net weight is 80 grams. Now coming to the main part, the price of the product. How much is the Cadbury Bonneville Raisin and Nut priced at? So this 80 gram pack of the Cadbury Bonneville Raisin and Nut is priced at Rs 100. The MRP of Cadbury Bonneville Raisin and Nut is Rs 100. Here are the you can get the ingredients of the chocolate mentioned right here. So I'll quickly run all through that. There's sugar, cocoa solids, cocoa butter, raisins are 8%, cashew nuts are 4%, there are apricot kernels 4%, milk solids, emulsifier, lactose, contains added flavor, and natural and nature identical flavoring substances. There's allergen information is given here that it contains milk and cashew nuts, and may contain other tree nuts as well. Right here in a small box we can see the nutritional facts which I mentioned as well, and that's all the information available. Here is a pure vegetarian symbol as well. So let's go ahead and unbox the Cadbury Bonneville. So you need to open the pack from here. It is completely sealed. You need to tear it open from here. So yeah, here we go. We are just going to tear open the seal of the Cadbury Bonneville. Inside there's another packaging for the chocolate. It comes packaged in a brown color packaging here, which has Bonneville written all over it. So there's Cadbury Bonneville written all over the packaging. You can see that. And then there's in the center we have Bonneville written along with the flavor's name, Raisin and Nut. And so let's go ahead and open this packaging as well. So we just tear it open. And let's look at the chocolate bar. How does it look? So by tearing it open, here is the Cadbury Bonneville. So guys, this is the Cadbury Bonneville. The cubes are much larger in size compared to the other Cadbury chocolates that are available. The Bonneville cubes are much larger in size, and also on the cubes, if you all can see this, there's a Cadbury Bonneville branding right on it. Now coming to the back side of the chocolate bar, you can actually see the nuts and raisins inside the chocolate from the below part of the chocolate itself. You can see the nuts and raisins in it. So it is heavily loaded with nuts, which is an amazing thing. So right now let's go ahead and do a taste test of the Cadbury Bonneville. So I'm just quickly going to break one cube of the Bonneville. So here is the Cadbury Bonneville, and we are going to quickly do a taste test. So you can see this, there are cashew nuts here as well. You can actually see them. So let's go ahead and do a taste test. It has a rich cocoa flavor with the crunchiness of the nuts. And there's a juiciness of the raisins in it, the sweet juicy flavor of raisins. Smooth dark chocolate on top of it. Amazing combination of dark chocolate and nuts and raisins. Amazing flavor, quite different from the Cadbury fruit and nut or the Cadbury silk fruit and nut. This flavor is quite different. So yeah, the Bonneville has a very unique taste to it because it is made out of dark chocolate and not milk chocolate. It has a very different taste compared to the other milk chocolate, other fruit and nut milk chocolates from Cadbury, like the silk fruit and nut and the Cadbury dairy milk fruit and nut. The Cadbury Bonneville stands out with its own unique taste. So this is an amazing chocolate. It has a very smooth chocolatey flavor to it, and then there is a amazing nutty crunchiness of the nuts in it and the sweet juicy flavors of the raisins in it. So very amazing, nice combination here of chocolate, nuts and raisins in it, and I definitely liked it. I'm going to rate it a 5 on 5 for its amazing taste, amazing packaging, very premiumly packed. This box itself looks so premium, and it has been very well and competitively priced at rupees 100 for 80 grams. So the pricing is also spot on here. It's not very expensive. It's at an affordable price of rupees 100 for a nice dark chocolate bar. So definitely a 5 on 5 for the Cadbury Bonneville. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.